What if I told you that you could never be rich and still retire with $1 million in the bank? Sounds impossible, right? But meet Mike. He's a public school teacher. He's never earned more than $55,000 a year. He doesn't own a business. He doesn't drive a Tesla. And no, he's not some crypto genius. But what Mike does have is something most people never fully use: consistency. Every month for 30 years, Mike quietly invested just $300 into a boring index fund. That's it. No big windfalls, no secret tricks, just time, patience, and staying the course. Fast forward to retirement, Mike's net worth is over $1.1 million. Not rich by Instagram standards, but wealthy in the way that actually matters. So here's the real question. Do you need to be rich to build real wealth? Most people would say yes. But what if they're wrong? What if wealth isn't about how much you make, but about how much freedom you have? Today's video will change the way you think about money forever. Let's dive in. Hello everyone, I'm Loopvest. First, let's clear up one of the biggest myths about money. Being rich is not the same as being wealthy. Think about it. Rich people look like they have it all. Big salaries, expensive cars, fancy vacations. But behind the scenes, many of them are living paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debt, working 70-hour weeks, and constantly stressed. Now, compare that to someone who's wealthy. They might not earn 6 figures. They might live in a modest home. But they have something far more powerful: time freedom, peace of mind. They don't worry about the next paycheck. They don't work just to pay bills. Their money works for them, not the other way around. So let me ask you this. Would you rather earn $250,000 a year and be constantly stressed, or earn $50,000 but have $1,500 a month in passive income forever? Most people are chasing a number, but wealth isn't a number. It's a life you control. Being rich is about how much you earn. Being wealthy is about how much choice you have. And the best part? You don't have to wait until you're rich to start building wealth. You can start today. Let's break down how to actually build your first portfolio with the tools you already have. So, if wealth isn't about being rich, then how do you actually build it? It's not by winning the lottery, or timing the market perfectly, or finding the next crypto moonshot. The real secret? Time and consistency. That's it. Let me show you. Meet Emma and Jack. They're both 25 today, but they take different paths. Emma starts investing early. She puts just $200 a month into a basic index fund, nothing fancy. She does this every month from age 25 to 35, and then she stops. Yep, she stops completely at 35. Just 10 years of investing. Now Jack? He waits. He thinks he'll start later when he's making more money. So he begins at 35, investing the same $200 per month. But he keeps doing it all the way until he's 65. That's 30 years of investing. So, who ends up with more money at retirement? You'd think it's Jack, right? He invested 3 times as long. But here's the kicker. Emma ends up with more. By retirement, Emma has around $430,000. Jack, just over $300,000, even though he invested 3 times more money. Why? Because Emma gave her money more time to grow. That's the magic of compound interest. It's not about how much you invest. It's about when you start and how long you stay in the game. Time turns small amounts into serious wealth. And consistency, that's what keeps the engine running. Even if you can only invest $50 a month, starting now beats waiting until someday. Because someday becomes never. And the earlier you start, the less you need to invest later. You don't need to pick the perfect stock. You don't need to earn six figures. You just need to show up every month and let time do the heavy lifting. Emma didn't win the game by being rich. She won by being consistent. So if you're feeling behind, overwhelmed, or stuck, take a breath. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. And remember, time is your real superpower. Let's build your first portfolio, simple, safe, and made for real life. By now, you're probably thinking, okay, I get it. Wealth takes time. But what if I don't have a lot of money to start with? Great question. Most people think you need thousands of dollars just to get in the game. That's false. The truth is, you don't need to be rich. You don't need to be perfect. And you definitely don't need to wait. You just need to start right here with what you already have. Let me tell you a story. Carlos is 34. He works full-time at a warehouse during the week and drives Uber on weekends just to stay ahead of bills. He doesn't have a finance degree. He doesn't follow the stock market. But one day, during a lunch break, a coworker told him about something called a Roth IRA. Carlos went home that night and opened one. He started small, just $50 a month, automatically. He didn't think it would matter much, but fast forward 5 years. Between his side hustle and a few smart habits, Carlos now invests $300 a month, and he's built over $20,000 in assets. He's not a millionaire, but he's in the game. So how did he do it? Step 1. He automated everything. He set up recurring transfers, just like paying a bill. That's the power of systems. They work even when you're tired, busy, or overwhelmed. Step 2. He used what he had. He didn't wait for a raise or a better time. He started where he was, with what he could afford. And step 3, he built a simple money plan. Carlos uses the 50-30-20 rule, 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for saving and investing. He doesn't budget every dollar. He just follows the formula. And every extra ride he drives on Uber, that goes straight into investments. Because that's the mindset shift. It's not about working harder. It's about using money smarter. So whether you're a barista, a teacher, or an Uber driver like Carlos, you already have the tools to start building wealth. You don't need to wait until things are perfect, because perfect never comes. All you need is a plan, a bit of patience, and the courage to start small. Let's build your first portfolio, step by step, no stress, no jargon. Let's take a moment and ask a real question. What does wealth mean to you? Is it driving a Ferrari down the coast? Wearing a Rolex on a yacht? Or is it something quieter? For Emily, wealth wasn't about going viral or retiring at 30. It was about time. She's a nurse in her 30s, single, no trust fund, no crypto jackpot. But she wanted one thing, freedom to choose. So she made a decision. She kept her lifestyle simple, avoided debt, and saved just enough to work 3 days a week instead of 5. That meant more time with her niece, a chance to travel off-season, read, breathe, live life on her own schedule. No private jets, no TikTok flex, just freedom. That's the thing. Real wealth isn't about having more. It's about needing less and being in control. Control of your time, control of your location, control of your decisions. That's what financial freedom actually looks like. And most people don't need millions to get there. They just need clarity. Here's a little equation worth remembering. Wealth equals assets that buy you freedom, not liabilities that steal your time. So the next time someone flashes their lifestyle on social media, ask yourself, can they take a year off work and be okay? Can they walk away from a job tomorrow and still sleep at night? That's freedom, and it's closer than you think, not just for nurses, or tech bros, or finance nerds, but for anyone willing to design life on their terms. So how do you build it? With tools, with intention, with small, consistent steps. You don't have to chase more, you just have to choose better. Coming up next, we'll break it all down. How to actually start your first portfolio. With real tools, real strategies, and zero fluff. Let's make your freedom formula real. How to actually build your first portfolio using simple, proven tools. Let's be honest. After watching all this, you might still be thinking, but I'm behind. I've made mistakes. I don't even know where to begin. Here's the truth. You don't need a six-figure job to build six-figure freedom. You just need to take the next small step. Today. You see, wealth isn't some giant leap. It's not a lottery ticket. It's not a magical stock pick from someone on YouTube yelling at charts. Real wealth is built quietly, in the background, with habits no one claps for, until one day they all add up. Like packing your own lunch for a month. Like choosing not to upgrade your phone this year. Like automating $20 into a Roth IRA instead of letting it disappear into Starbucks. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be consistent. The system we've laid out in this video, it's designed for people like you, normal people, working people, people juggling jobs, bills, and maybe kids, people who don't have time to day trade or chase hype. You don't need a finance degree. You don't need 10 apps on your phone. What you need is a plan that fits your life. And that's what LoopVest is all about. So if you've made it this far, take this as your sign. Your journey to financial freedom doesn't start someday. It starts with one small habit, today. Hit that subscribe button. Every week, we drop one short, powerful animation designed to change how you think about money, without overwhelming you with jargon. You deserve peace. You deserve options. You deserve a future you actually want to wake up in. So let me ask you, what's one small habit you could start today that your future self will thank you for? Drop it in the comments. Let's grow together. Next up, let's build your first portfolio, step by step, with tools that actually work for you.